Hello. So this is a gate question related to analog electronics. Topic is operational amplifier. The question is the circuit of a figure uses an ideal operational amplifier for a small positive voltage of V in. The circuit works as a. So this is a circuit. How the circuit acts like a half-wave rectifier, differentiator, logarithmic amplifier, or exponential amplifier. So we have to identify which one is the right answer from the given circuit. The solution for this problem is, so this is the ideal operational amplifier. So ideal operational amplifier means you have to remember these two golden rules. One is input impedance is infinity, input resistance is infinity, and open loop voltage gain. Open loop gain of the ideal operational amplifier is also infinity. So because of these 2 points, the input current entering into the operational amplifier is 0 because of input resistance is very high, and high open loop gain means, so due to virtual ground concept, that is open loop gain is infinity. Due to that, so the voltage at this node is equal to the voltage at this node. We know that the virtual ground concept. So V plus is equal to V minus. The voltage at this terminal is grounded. So because of the virtual ground concept at ideal operational amplifier circuit, at this node is also 0. And here the input voltage is connecting to the inverting terminal through a resistor R. So here due to input resistance is very high, so the amount of current is flowing through the resistance is I. The same amount of current is flowing through this loop, in the feedback loop. So here you apply KCL rule. So I is equal to V in minus 0 by R. So the current flowing in the resistance is V in, at this point node is 0 by R equal to, so V in by R. That is the first equation. So the same amount of current is flowing through the diode. So diode is in forward biased. So what is the equation? Diode forward biased condition, I is equal to I naught into e power V by Vt minus 1. So it is approximately equal to I naught into V by V power e power V by Vt. Vt is volt temperature constant. So here substitute, you can simplify this equation. So I by I naught equal to exponential E by V by Vt. So this is V is equal to, you can write like this, Vt, that is volt temperature, volt thermal voltage equivalent, natural logarithm of I by I naught. So what is V naught? So V naught is, so apply KCL. So V naught is, this is 0. So what is V naught is minus V1. So apply KCL, V naught is equal to, so it's inverting configuration, that is minus V. So this is V is equal to minus V, we can write it like this. So Vt is a constant, natural logarithm of I is nothing but V in by R. V in by R. So I naught into R is volt. So this is V naught is equal to Vt into E in by V in by R. So this is V out is directly proportional to minus of, because of non-inverting configuration, natural logarithm of V in. So we can say that the output voltage is natural logarithm of the input voltage. Okay. So this is inverting, minus is nothing but it is an inverting configuration. Okay. When the diode is at feedback loop, so from this derivation we can say that the circuit acts like a logarithmic amplifier. So the right answer for this question is a logarithmic amplifier. But the same diode you are connecting here, so this is exponentially anti-log. So by the time you are using as a exponential amplifier. Okay. So always when the diode always connected in the feedback loop, it works as a logarithmic amplifier. Okay. Thank you.